Today I'm gonna show you how to make heated grips on your motorcycle. Yes, there's a lot of things that online showed us that how we can make or how we can bought. But today I'm gonna show you how you can make by your own. You just need simple few things. You just need some copper wires. I think these are the 34 gauges. This thickness is 34 and it is about 20 grams each. If you want, this is a bar volt supply. My bike is supplying 12 volt current densities. Yes, this side is much warmer. I don't have a temperature meter. If I had one, I will show you how much heat it can be produced. Okay, this side is sealed by the duct tape and this side is open. So what I'm gonna do is I just take these copper wires and round it about 168 times, like this time 1 2 3 4 168 times. If you want more heat, more extension heat, use these type of gauges. This is actually the 4 times thicker than this. This is 4 times thicker. But remember one thing, if you put less turns, then much heat will be produced, but more your currents will be supplied into this and you will not able to make it a self. So my suggestion is, if you want to heat your heated grips, first you just have to turn on your bikes, get the engine on, and then you actually on this heated system. There is no need to any circuit board diagram. Just turn it 168 times, then put a diode like this positions like this. I used 4007 diodes. 4007 diodes I used. Why? Because it will not drain. We know this is an induction system. This is an induction system, so much energy will be drawn by this induction system. Our battery is 5 amps, 12 volts. If you don't want to drain all of your juice, use just only these on the connections. Yes, this is much heater, warm and cozy. This is much heater. I don't need more of them. This is very much heated. But remember one thing's more, that this will be heated. You don't want to damage this rubber thing on the grips. So I used this wiring leather paper. First you just have to wiring the leather paper onto the heated grips. Use some glue or super glue. Then you rounded these copper wires into the handles and you use the duct tape to cover this. I used M-Seal negative positive glue This is in Bangladesh. It costs 100 taka. I don't know. Yes, you can use this to stronger this. It will move like shivering, like this, shaking. You don't know. I don't want that, so I put that this strong glue. Actually, this is steel. It can bond steel to steel, so I put this onto my coil chamber. That's for all. And that side is heated. I connected about 10 minutes ago. This is a damaged battery. It hasn't charged about 5 or 6 days, but yeah, it actually works. I'll show you how it works. This connections. There. There it is. That's for all.